It looks pretty good. For scrap metal and a $5 or $6 ammo box I got on clearance about 5 years ago. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George, and we got an ammo can here. We're gonna attach this to the CK2610 to have some storage or a toolbox for the tractor. And we got more scrap here. This was left over from the flatbed that I did for my welding truck. This is 1/8 flooring. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I can just push this, push it down like that. Hopefully it don't snap. Alright, that'll do it. Alright, so it's been roughly 20 hours or something like that. Alright guys, so this is the bottom base. As you can see, that cleaned out nicely. And it's almost ready to weld on. Alright, we got the R Captain MiG 145 Pro. We got some good penetration. So the letters stand out nicely. You just got to either do this orange or black. And I'm pretty sure there's a black ammo can in the shed somewhere. All right. And both of the cans are about empty, so we'll see how much we can cover with this. can see now we clear all the bolts. And we cleared this section here by about 1/8 of an inch, or yeah, about 1/8. I think it looks pretty good for scrap. Alright guys, so here's the box, and I went ahead and bought some bolts that are about 1/2 inch longer, and we'll trim them down. So far so good. So we got this bracket, goes here on the back side. I'm going to use a flat washer and then a lock nut. Here's the second one. And I know this is more of a Kubota or maybe a jack-o'-lantern orange, but we got to make things work. Alright guys, so we have the ammo can installed on the CK2610, and I like the way it looks. The height is perfect. It clears the top light here, so don't have to do any adjustments. Now one thing that I want to clear out is this latch is on the back, and these letters are intended to be on the back side. So why is the box reversed here? The tractor's been at the ranch for quite a bit of time already, and I didn't know exactly how far this tab would stick out, so I don't want to cut this, and I had to install the box so I can get some measurements so I can see how much this sticks out, and so I can make the spacers and have it mounted on the correct side. So you'll probably see the box mounted on this side in the next video or two. But yeah, if you like this kind of content, let me know. I got the speaker up here, and I was thinking about putting another box maybe on this side so I can put a little inverter, cigarette adapter, charge my phone, charge the Bluetooth speaker up there, and maybe that'll be another project to come. But for right now, like I said, if you like the video, let me know. Any questions, comments, post them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.